Let's begin with this, old lady. Okay, we gotta watch full. We gotta watch the April. Mount Forest! Mount Forest! Mount Forest, that's me all! Fake destructive again? I caught it! I got it! Finally! 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 Eat time? Oh my god, finally! Finally, you took long enough.
At 7:46 p.m.
Oh, Dave's doing it this time.
Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Interlake, Manitoba. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Choas, Ashern, and West Interlake. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information. At 7:46 p.m. Central Daylight on Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for Interlake, Manitoba. Extra care and attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Choas, Ashern, and West Interlake. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
I don't think I can capture it up here.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.
Special movie warning of the today! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell? What the
Forecast for city of Toronto issued by Environment Canada at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, August 24th, 2023. Tonight, cloudy.
attention should be exercised in and around the following localities: Sweet, Rita, Nashville, and Rain. Environment Canada Media.
Oh my god, first special marine warning.
Thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado.
Oh my god.
Winds,
What the hell?
and locally intense rainfall are also possible.
What the hell? I was not expecting this.
Weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's his Princess Auto.
Oh my god, I was not failed.
At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Manitoba. Extra care and attention
Tornado
should be
warning and a
exercised
special
in and around
marine
the following
warning.
localities: Sweet, Rita, Haddashville, and Rene. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds,
Oh my god.
locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
That was a message from the Canadian
Are you kidding me right now?
Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.
This is a violent one. Jesus Christ, I've never called this violent. Woodstock, as we all. I knew it. Oh my. Oh, it's near me, folks. Okay.
34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact. Small craft could be damaged due to winds and suddenly higher waves. And some say, hey, move to safe harbor immediately as gust winds and high waves are expected. Continuous lightning is occurring with these storms. Keep caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is a marine. Meteorologists are tracking an area of severe thunderstorms that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
Environment Canada has issued a marine tornado warning for lower the Great Lakes. Extra care and attention should be exercised in the following marine areas: Lake Erie. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Tornadoes are often wrapped in rain and may not be visible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches.
Leave mobile homes, vehicles, tents, trailers into the temporary or freestanding shelter and move to a strong building if you can. As a last resort, lie in a low spot and protect your head from flying debris. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately threatening weather approaches.
There it goes again!
At 11:05 p.m. UDT, Environment Canada
Shut up.
meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds,
Let's make Gary this time.
intense rainfall are also possible.
What?
At 11:02 p.m. UDT, Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking an area of severe thunderstorms that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, much hail, and locally intense rain are also possible. A line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes is located from 9 kilometers west of Port Elm Channel, moving southeast at 90 kilometers per hour. Hazard: tornado and 110 kilometers per hour wind gusts. Torrential rainfall with local amounts near 50 millimeters possible. Locations impacted include Blenheim, Rondeau Provincial Park, Port Alma, Merlin, North Buxton, Delta and Area. Tornado warnings are issued when imminent or occurring thunderstorms are likely to produce or produce tornadoes. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Tornadoes at night cannot be seen and may strike suddenly. Sometimes they are preceded by strengthening winds, large hail, or an approaching whistling or roaring sound. Go indoors to a room on the lowest floor, away from outside walls and windows, such as the basement, bathroom, stairwell, or interior closet. Leave mobile homes, vehicles, tents, trailers into the temporary or freestanding shelter and move to a strong building if you can. As a last resort, lie in a low spot and protect your head from flying debris. Lightning kills and injures Canadians every year. Remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Emergency Management Ontario recommends that you take cover immediately threatening weather approaches.
Give me a break!
Possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, much hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. This line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes and wind gusts up to 60 knots is located from Amherst to Channel, moving east at 45 knots.
SVO.
Indoors immediately. Lightning is one of these. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms, which may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is the NOAA radio station.